All right, you guys, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in to another video. So if you guys are wondering how to prevent weeds from invading your mulch beds, your garden, or your flower beds, well, you might want to try this product by Preen Garden Weed Preventer. I'm going to go over how to use the product and what weeds it prevents. So stay tuned and let's go over that right now. All right, you guys, so as you guys can see, I laid down some fresh mulch and now I'm trying to keep weeds out of my mulch beds. So you can use this product here today that I'm going to show you guys. You can use this in the gardens or in your flower beds or anywhere that you're trying to prevent weeds. This is not for lawns though, you guys. You need to use a different product if you're trying to prevent weeds in your lawn. This is only for gardens, mulch beds, and flower beds, stuff of that nature. So let's go over this weed preventer product by Preen. Now, if you have actively growing weeds already, like something like this over here, you guys are going to have to either pull that out or you're going to have to spray it with a weed killer to actually kill the weed. This does not kill weeds, you guys. It only prevents. So when you apply this product, you're going to be applying it on the mulch and lightly watering it in to create a barrier. Like I said, this is the back of it right here. Killing weeds versus preventing weeds. It says pulling or spraying only eliminates weeds already above ground. Preventing creates a weed barrier that stops weeds like bugs flying around, like they like fresh mulch. So you're gonna go ahead, like I said, remove existing weeds, sprinkle product evenly, water product into soil. Don't oversaturate the soil when you're watering it. Just lightly water it. It will activate the product. So this product prevents a lot of annual weeds, a lot of the popular ones. You see crabgrass on the list. You see annual bluegrass. You got what else? Henbit, stuff of that nature, foxtail, all of those grassy weeds or little actively growing weeds. As you guys can see, I'm not gonna go over all of them, but you guys get the picture. This is the active ingredient right there. I'm not gonna try to pronounce that. There's always some weird name for these weed killers here. This product, now it says that it's not really safe for pets or children when the product is actively like moist. You got to wait till the product dry before anyone can enter those areas. So if you sprinkle this down in your mulch beds or your garden or anything like that, water it in, give the product until it dries, and then people can go back into those areas. Do not actively go into the area when these products are wet or actively working. Wait till it dries, give it maybe 24 hours, it dry up. Then you can go back in there. You don't want to track this stuff inside the house. So let me just get that out the way now. So like I said, this is not safe for people or pets. Do not let the pets eat on the mulch or anything like that. Wait till the product dry. Then anybody can enter and walk on the mulch or anything of that nature. I don't know too many people that really walk on the mulch, but you're probably going to be walking inside of a garden if you guys are doing a big garden. So let me just tell you guys that now. So you're going to use this product. When to apply the Preen Garden Weed Preventer. You apply this product, like I said, when weeds are actively growing. And you're going to apply this every 9 to 12 weeks to keep weeds away for the season. So you guys, it does work. You got to use it the right way. So also, here you go. Preen Weed Preventer is suggested for use around established plants. So if you got plants that are in the growing stage, like from seed, do not apply this on seeds because it will prevent those seeds from germinating on certain plants. Now you have vegetables also. It says for use on vegetables. Now you got the before seeding. Those are the vegetables that can handle this product and actively grow. You got the after seeding right here, after seeding or transplanting. So the before seeding vegetables that can actually grow through the product, you got broccoli, you got Brussels sprout, you got cabbage, you got carrots, you got cauliflower, you got celery, you got collard, you got black eyed peas, field peas, green peas, kale, lentils, lima beans, mustard greens, okra, radish, southern peas, cowpeas, snap beans, turnip greens. That's a lot of seeds that can actually grow in this product, and that's a lot. That sounds pretty good right now. It's making me very hungry. That sounds like Big Mama's Sunday dinner right there. But like I said, you can go ahead after seeding or transplanting. See, now the cantaloupe, cucumbers, watermelon, apply after plants have developed 5 or more leaves. That's what it says right here, you guys. So if you're planting any of this, wait till 5 or more leaves have germinated before applying this product. You do not want to stop the growth of your actual vegetables. All right, you guys, so to use this product, you're gonna go ahead, take the top off, twist it loose, counterclockwise. You got the little safety here, and you're just gonna rip that off. Boom, it's that simple. As you guys see, that's how the product look inside. Very basic granulars here. Like I said, do not use this on your lawn. This will not prevent weeds in the lawn. This is not supposed to be used in the lawn. And you're just gonna go ahead around your mulch beds or wherever you want to apply it, and you're just gonna sprinkle a little bit. Not too much. This whole container, I think, covers about 900 square feet. So, like I said, and I'm showing you right here, you're just gonna sprinkle a little bit here. Now, make sure you get your edges and stuff like that. And like I said, you're just gonna lightly water this product in. You don't need much. This is one of the better products, the weed preventers on the market for your mulch beds or your gardens. And it's so simple and basic to use. If you use it right, you will not have to worry about weeds. Now, like I said, you're gonna have to reapply this every 6 to 9 weeks or something like that. But I normally get away with one application a season. Anything that germinates through the mulch afterwards or anything of that nature, I just pull it out by hand because it's not much. Around your trees or your shrubs, you want to make sure you just drop a little bit in there. Just like that. It will not harm your shrubs or your little trees at all. Like I said, you got to make sure your stuff is already germinated. Get up in there. And just a little bit. Now, ladies, I know a lot of you guys out there, y'all do your gardens and stuff like that, your flower beds. This definitely comes in handy. I know a lot of you guys always ask me how to keep weeds out of your garden, out of your flower beds. So for the ladies, this Preen garden weed preventer, this is a great product for you guys out there. So I got my little tulips here. They're about to go. They don't last too long, but they look nice when they actually bloom and germinate. But I'm just throwing a little bit around my shrubs, around my tulips. And it's supposed to rain later, so I'm not worried about watering it in. But like I said, you're gonna lightly water this product in. Just enough to activate it. And that's pretty much it right there, you guys. I showed you how to use the product. Like I said, you see it in the mulch right there. You can rake it in a little bit if you want to, but I don't never rake it in. I just let it go. And like I said, when it rains or if I take my water hose out, I lightly water it and activate the product. And there's nothing else to worry about afterwards. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys gained some information and some knowledge out of it. Go out and get your mulch beds together, your gardens or your flower beds, keep them weed free. Just remember, if you do have weeds already germinating, you're gonna have to pull them out or find a way to eliminate them. This does not kill weeds. So hope you guys enjoyed. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and take care, and I'll see you in the next video.